think that higher order thinking skills have been around for almost as long as gifted education's been around, I think. But I think I'm finding myself very intrigued now with Webb's depth of knowledge model. And in that model, even though it says depth of knowledge, it really is about thinking skills and using the thinking skills that one has been learning. In this particular model, Webb has 4 levels, and the first one probably isn't as appropriate for our gifted learners, but it's going to be very important for all the learners in our class. So we may start there, but spend less time with our gifted students in that particular part of it. That level is the recall and reproduction level. And basically what that's doing is having students learn the facts, the details of something, things that may often be on their pre-assessments. But the thing that Webb does with this is to have them actually apply what they've learned. And it happens in this first level, very simple kinds of procedures, but it happens there rather than waiting as we do with the Bloom's taxonomy until the 3rd level up. So again, a chance to put application with knowledge and comprehension. The second level of Webb deals with skills and concepts. And this is where we definitely want our students, our bright students, to be doing something with the content and the skills that they're learning. We expect them to compare, to analyze, to predict, and to estimate. I would say if we were looking at level 1, there's a chance that none of level 1 would be engaging, authentic, or rigorous. But with level 2, I think we probably are talking about a little rigor there and probably engagement, right? Authenticity, we still haven't really gotten the finger on with level 2. When we get to level 3, which is strategic thinking, now we want students using multiple resources and planning how they're going to produce their evidence or make their choices towards some kind of a final project or application. I would say as students are doing that, you have not only the rigor and the engagement in the activity. It's very much a project-based kind of approach, I think, but you also have the authenticity because they are going to be dealing with probably a real-world problem or product from what they've been learning from their resources. And then when we get to level 4, the last of Webb's depth of knowledge model, we have extended thinking. And this is where students are using all kinds of multimedia, multiple resources of all kinds, and are being asked to synthesize information over an extended period of time. So they really are learning a field, maybe it's a topic or an idea, but some field in some depth and breadth at the same time. And again, it comes down to some kind of a product that synthesizes all that they've learned along the way. And they are expected as a part of this to reflect upon the learning that's occurred, the level of achievement they made with their product, all of that kind of self-reflection and metacognitive kind of information. And I would argue that very much there we see the rigor, we see the authenticity, and we also see the engagement.